My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekhar classes on applied data science with Python. This is lecture number 80. In this lecture, we will try to understand calculation of percentages by using pandas and NumPy. Let me go to our Jupyter notebook. Just see this one. This one is as usual import NumPy as NP. We discussed a lot on these libraries from past few lectures. This one is a equal to np dot numpy array. We know how to create an array by using NumPy libraries. We discussed a lot on this NumPy. We discussed so many lectures on NumPy, isn't it? Anyway, this one is an array. What am I doing? np dot percentile a comma 50. What is my a? A is this array, isn't it? Means I am calculating 50th percentile. 50th percentile means that is median, isn't it? This is my median of this particular array. Which array? For this array. In similar manner, you can calculate print np dot percentile a comma 25. Means we are trying to calculate 25th percentile, that is capital Q1. This one is 75. What does it mean? Print np dot percentile a comma 75 means you are trying to calculate Q3 whose value is 57.5. Anyway, let me take one data file. This is the data file on which we were working from past few lectures. 500 underscore person underscore gender underscore height underscore weight underscore index.csv. This is file available in my Google site, or you can download from Kaggle. This is the file on which I am going to calculate percentiles. Just these are the first 5 rows. I need not explain. You know about this particular file. Anyway, I am not interested in having this particular index column. Just I am dropping that column. Dot drop means that column will be dropped. Just I am finding shape. Earlier there were 4 columns. Now just we have 3 columns. Now just see this one. Height underscore weight underscore data. This is my pandas data frame name. In that pandas data frame name, there is a column known as height, for which I am calculating quantile of 0.25. What does it mean? I am calculating Q1, quartile 1. That particular value will get stored in the place of Q1 underscore height. Just if you want to display, just you can display Q1 underscore height. What is your first quantile on height data? Means I can say like this. I'm invoking this quantile function on numerical attribute height of the data frame, height underscore weight underscore data. In similar manner, I can invoke quantile function with 0.75. What does it mean? It is third quartile, isn't it? Third quartile. What is the data frame name? Height underscore weight underscore data, whose column name is height, on which I am invoking quantile function with 0.75. Therefore, I am calculating 75% means I am calculating Q3. That Q3 will get stored in the place of Q3 underscore height. Just I am displaying that Q3 underscore height. How can I display? It is simple and straightforward. Whose value is 184, isn't it? What is this 184? 184 is Q3 means third quartile. Even you can calculate if you want. If you want to calculate Q2, what you have to do? What you have to give? Quantile of 0.50 you have to give, isn't it? It's simple. Now, what does it mean? IQR. IQR means what? IQR means interquartile range, isn't it? What is interquartile range? How will you calculate interquartile range? Q3 minus Q1. We already calculated Q3. Just I am subtracting Q1 from Q3. Therefore, my interquartile range is 28, isn't it? Now, what am I doing here? Just observe this one. PLT.figure. This I need not explain. I already explained about this height underscore weight underscore data. I am creating an histogram. With how many bins we are creating? With 30 bins I am creating. Now, what is my PLT.axv line means? I am plotting a vertical line with whom? Q1 underscore height. What is my Q1 underscore height? My Q1 underscore height is my first quartile. PLT.axv line, what is my Q1 value? 156. Just remember this one. This is my Q1. What is my Q3? 184. 156 and 184. Just I am taking Q1 underscore height, color is red, label is Q1 underscore height. Just I am giving this label, and I am plotting one more vertical line, AXV line, Q3 underscore height, whose value is 184, and color is green, label equal to Q3 underscore height, PLT dot legend. We know what is PLT dot legend. We discussed a lot on legend, isn't it? Just see this one, what it says. There are two things. One is 156 and 184. What is my 164 and 18? This is Q1 and Q3. Just see, Q1 underscore 8, Q3 underscore 8. In between Q3 minus Q1. What is my Q3 minus Q1 value? This is interquartile range where the middle 50% of our points are located. If you want to visualize a quantile information for height as well, till now what we calculated? We calculated, just see, information for height as well, height as well as weight data in single plot. What does it mean? Till now we calculated only for height. Just see, just here we are calculating only for height, Q1 underscore height and Q3 underscore height. If you want to keep height and weight in same plot, you can use a scatter plot. We already discussed what is scatter plot in our previous lectures in data visualization. Scatter plot representation you can make use. Means, what is the use of scatter plot? It is useful to understand the relation between two variables. Here I have height is a variable and weight is a variable. In order to know the relationship between these two variables, I can plot scatter plot. The scatter plot will have the data points corresponding to the height and weight. The weight data is along the x-axis. I will use vertical lines to make Q1 and Q3 for our weight data. That is 25th percentile and 75th percentile. Height is along y-axis. I will use the 25th percentile and 75th percentile plot these in the form of horizontal lines, and just it is simple. Just see here, what am I doing? It's simple. Instead of saying so many theoretical points, let me say like this. Just see, height underscore weight underscore data weight. I am taking weight on x-axis, height underscore weight underscore data underscore, this one is height on y-axis, and AXV line means what? Vertical line. I am creating vertical line for weight, and I am with 0.25 means what? Q1. Again I am creating vertical line for 0.75 means Q3 for weight, and you are creating horizontal line. AXH line means what? Horizontal line for 0.25 means for Q1, and I am creating one more horizontal line with Q3 0.75 means what does it mean? It's Q3. Just it's PLT dot legend. Just it's a matter of, if you execute this one, you will get scatter plot. This is the scatter plot. Just see this one. I discussed a lot on scatter plot in my previous lectures in data visualization. What is the purpose of scatter plot? Here I am creating scatter plot in between Q1 and Q3. Q1 and Q3 we are calculating for height as well as weight. Just see, we are drawing two vertical lines. What it says, AXV line means this is weight. This vertical lines represent weight, isn't it? This vertical line represents weight, and this horizontal line represent AXH line, horizontal line represent height. Just this scatter plot, I need not discuss again and again about scatter plot. Just if you want to know something about scatter plot, just go to my data visualization lectures, where you can find in detailed information about scatter plots. Just go through this calculation of percentiles by using pandas as well as by using NumPy. Certainly you can understand this. If you have any difficulty, just keep a comment so that we will try to understand. Thank you very much.